Growing plants inside is a lot funner with this pot plant Bluetooth speaker.
With 2 colors to choose from and a hollow middle, planting your favorite indoor plants takes a couple minutes. Unlike most household pots, this one has controls at the bottom and comes with a charging cord to power the speaker and the 2 lamp settings. Or press and hold the middle button for some fun with the touch control feature. Which plays 7 different songs. Press the button again to autoplay each song and watch 7 different LED lights come to life. You can also connect with any Bluetooth device for endless song possibilities. Now you can enjoy your houseplants a little more. Links to purchase below.